Hi everyone, my name is Abby Thomas, and my presentation today will be on the obligation to perform emergency CPR. I believe this is so important, and why I chose this topic is looking at the big picture that any person can go into cardiac arrest at any age, at any time. And I believe people deserve the best possible chance they can get to live. However, in my personal experience working as an LNA, I've seen patients come into the hospital who have gone into cardiac arrest and wouldn't be my patients if they had not received emergency CPR outside of the hospital. Outside of the hospital setting, I saw a person suddenly go into cardiac arrest. Thankfully, there was a doctor nearby, since we were on the side of the road. Because this doctor was able to perform emergency CPR, the patient was able to make it to the hospital. My presentation and my topic basically focuses on if people should perform CPR in an emergency situation or if they're not obligated to. And this basically wraps up into society, religion, or a culture think it's okay to perform CPR or to not perform CPR, and why. The two sides of my essay explain the benefits of performing CPR and also the risks you take if you do perform CPR. So I'm generalizing it. It gives the person the best chance to live. This keeps the oxygen flowing as the blood flows through the body with each pumping motion when giving chest compressions. Good Samaritan laws do protect people. However, looking as it is on both sides is beneficial and risky. Good Samaritan laws only protect some people depending on certain states. Some states only protect medical professionals, while others protect all citizens. Course availability is opening up to the public more often as research has determined how important emergency CPR is. The risk for performing CPR is that a person could get in a lawsuit. There's a reported incident in which a person dining at the Olive Garden went to sudden cardiac arrest. However, they received no help, even from the employees, because they were told not to in order to avoid a lawsuit. The big question is, as stated in my essay, at what point is not helping okay? So now, I believe that schools should start a health program that includes the training of CPR. Many schools in high school age require a health class, and if teachers are trained in CPR and certified in teaching CPR, I believe that students could graduate with a certification in CPR, allowing adolescents going into adulthood the knowledge and education in order to save people. This could also lead into the jobs requiring CPR so that all ages of all citizens know how to save a life. Good Samaritan laws should be the same in all states. This will reduce confusion as well as give all people the same equal opportunity to survive if all bystanders are supported if something were to go wrong. And I believe, finally, there should be a law that bystanders must help a person in sudden cardiac arrest in order to have the most bystanders available to help others in need. Some difficulties I faced in this research are just finding a counter argument, really. A lot of people believe that you have to give cardiac arrest in any emergency situation. However, very few others do not. So it was a little difficult finding supporting evidence for the counter argument. And on the right, I just have my works cited page for the photos I have in this presentation. Thank you.